Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amadi Fortune, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to play My Baby Bad, My Baby Good by Fave. And if this is your first time to this channel, a very big welcome to you. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and stay tuned for more content in general if you're into Nigerian music. In this song we'll be making use of the capo on the 4th fret, and we're employing the use of 4 chords: the A minor, the D, G, and C. Basically, this is how the song runs, and we'll take a closer look at this chord so you can capture them properly. So we'll be employing the use of 4 chords. The E minor. The E minor, we have our index finger on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and our middle finger on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. That is our E. Move back to the D. The D, we have our index finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, our middle finger on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and our ring finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. Okay, the next chord we have is the G. Some people play it like this, and some people just play it open, but I feel like this version of this is more finished and more refined. So we have our index finger on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, our ring finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, our index finger on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and our middle finger on the 6th string of the 3rd fret. The last chord we have there is C. The C, we have our index finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, our middle finger on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and our index finger, our ring finger on the 5th string of the 10th fret. That is the C. So we have it. This is the progression: D, G, so there you have it, guys. Just have fun while doing it, like I always say, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like buttons. Have a nice day.